Hello, Neil Hancock from the Nolan Group. We have a comprehensive range of marine hardware and fittings. For all details, look in your Fabricator Catalogue, which if you haven't got one, please ask our account managers and we'll get one to you as soon as we can. What I have here is a CAF COMPO Starter Kit with very unique fittings. I'd like to showcase two of them for you and give you a quick demonstration. Drill and tap firmly secured. Make sure that the product that you're about to drill is also secure. Make sure you're balanced very slowly. Being careful not to make the tap go all the way through the product, but also ensuring that there is thread all the way through the product. Also being very steady with that manufacturing process, otherwise you're going to cut a thread on the way in and then on the way out. So we remove that, we have our Hex Fitting. So that's a torque bit fitting, which is unique to the Surefast family. Very careful again, making sure that you have your thread lined up. You don't want it on an angle, you want to put it in exactly the same way you've tapped it. There you have it. It's a polypropylene construction, which is a mooring pole top, but as you can see, the fitting fits perfectly. So there you have the tap and drill. Put that away. Perfect for the aluminium boats. Keep in mind these are a nylon composite, so that you won't have any metal corrosion between that fitting and your aluminium hull. Fitting number 2 is a drill and countersink all in one. This is for a self-tapping durable again. Just install that into the drill. Follow all other safety procedures. Make sure you're balanced. Make sure the vessel or the object is steady. Make sure you're as perpendicular as you can be. Nice and slowly. What the countersink does, it removes the top surface of gel coat from your vessel so that you don't get that gel coat crack. You don't want to bury it too far into the gel coat. Just want to make sure it's got a nice countersink. Remove our drill bit. Now, torque bit in. Now you need to apply a bit of pressure to this one. First lot of self-tapping bits are sacrificial and it locks on the last few. So we want to make sure that we're balanced, and again make sure that we're square. We want to apply pressure through. There you have it. That's watertight and that's locked into your fiberglass hull. The CAF COMPO composite range comes in 3 options. Has the M6 machine screw, white, grey and black available. It has 2 offerings in the self-drilling screw. It has the shorter one, the 10mm, for your foam core applications, or it has your longer 16mm, where you have an open fiberglass on the underside of the vessel. CAF COMPO, terrific fitting, won't corrode, won't tea stain. They're the right product.